Hello everyone, Antonio here, the founder and developer behind Flowasis. Just want to show you how to join our Discord so you can chat with others. You can also access subscriber only channels. We're going to be adding this Flowasis Smart Alerts channel, so you'll see all those smart alerts come in the Discord. You can also share your wins and losses and learn and grow with the community. You can also get support from us if you need it. You can also report bugs and suggest features to help improve Flowasis. So first you want to hit this join Discord button, and that's going to send you to the server. And then you want to go to rules and hit this green check mark, and then go back. And then you want to go back to the app, and then you hit link my account. And then they're going to ask you to sign in. And once you've signed in, hit this authorize button. And it's going to send you back to Flowasis. And once you've been linked, and then it's going to turn green, and it's going to redirect you back to the previous screen. And then you can also verify that you've connected to Discord correctly if you go to the settings screen and come back down to community. And here you'll see that you're connected to Discord. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at support@flowasis.com.